Hello everybody, I hope you are doing really well. In this video I'm going to show you how to reverse a trailer in a small yard. This is not small yard, it's a big yard, but I'm going to show you the jackknife reverse. So if you can see, in this yard it's big. I'm going to reverse it between two trailers or like three, whatever. So I have to pick up a space and then I will jackknife the lorry, because sometimes you go to a place and there's very tiny space in the other side as well. So what you have to do, sometimes you have to jackknife it. So if you see in the mirror, so there is a really small space between my trailer and the space that I'm going to reverse. So this is the way that you do it. So you have to like put the lockdown of the wheel, and you see my trailer and that trailer, there is a small space there. So after your wheels pass that trailer, you start turning everything for the trailer to get in that space. As you can see, between my trailer and the other trailer is very small space, so it seems that I'm going to touch it, but I'm not, because my wheel passed that trailer, so I can swing the whole trailer. And if you can see now, I have plenty of space, so I have to move forward a little bit to reverse the whole trailer. So this is the way that you jackknife a trailer to park. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please watch my videos, because I'm going to put more reversing, and depends on the situation, because the reverse is very fast. And please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this small video. And I performed a jackknife